Welcome to the Cheetah-1 demo video. The Cheetah-1 is a mobile breathalyzer unit with more than just one function, and today we are going to show you a little more about these features and how to use them. First off, the primary use of the unit is for breathalyzing purposes. In addition to this, we have a simple list of added features: a torch, a siren, warning lights, a digital display, and a results capacity of 5,000 tests. The quality assurance of this unit boasts rechargeable capabilities via your PC, vehicle, or wall socket. The unit has 8 hours of continuous use and an ergonomic lightweight design. How to conduct a test. To turn the unit on, hold down on the center OK button until you hear a beep. To initiate a test, push the start button once and ask the subject to blow sharply approximately 10 centimeters towards the top of the unit. If the subject has no alcohol present, a result will display a reading of 0.00%. If the subject does have alcohol present, the unit will react with the warning lights flashing and the alcohol reading will be shown. For more information about the Cheetah-1 breathalyzer, contact Point2Med today.